How does photosynthesis work without sunlight?
Hello there. Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of plant life. Today we're tackling a thought-provoking question. Can photosynthesis occur without sunlight? For many of us, it's almost counterintuitive, but it's a journey worth embarking on. So let's get started.
What is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy in the form of glucose or other sugars. The raw materials are carbon dioxide and water, and the process also releases oxygen as a byproduct. The key element here is light energy, which powers this amazing natural phenomenon.
How does photosynthesis normally work?
Photosynthesis primarily happens in the chloroplasts within plant cells. There are two main stages, the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions, or the Calvin cycle. The light-dependent reactions convert light energy into chemical energy, specifically, ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. This stage happens in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplasts and requires direct light. The light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle, occur in the stroma of the chloroplasts. They use the chemical energy from the light-dependent reactions, along with carbon dioxide, to produce glucose.
Can photosynthesis occur without sunlight?
Here's the crux of our topic. At first glance, it seems impossible because, as we've just learned, light is an integral part of photosynthesis. However, we need to make a small but important distinction. Photosynthesis doesn't specifically require sunlight, it requires light energy. That light can come from different sources, not exclusively from the sun. Some organisms have adapted to living in environments with little or no sunlight and have developed ways to conduct photosynthesis without it. For example, certain deep-sea bacteria use the faint glow from hydrothermal vents, called chemoluminescence, to drive their photosynthetic processes.
What about chemotrophic life?
There's another group of organisms called chemotrophs that are worth mentioning. These organisms, which include certain bacteria and archaea, don't rely on light energy at all. Instead, they derive energy from chemical reactions, often involving inorganic substances like sulfur or iron. This process is called chemosynthesis, not photosynthesis, but it serves a similar purpose in producing energy for the organism. To wrap it up, while sunlight is the most common energy source for photosynthesis, the process doesn't exclusively depend on it. In certain conditions, photosynthesis can occur without sunlight, provided there is some alternative light source or energy mechanism. And then, there are fascinating organisms that bypass the light requirement altogether, using chemosynthesis to thrive in some of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. We hope this journey into the life of plants and other photosynthesizing organisms has been enlightening. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of biology.